I'm looking at your eyes.
Why?
Because you look pretty handsome.
Oh.
This video is for educational and informational purposes only. It does not intend to glorify or endorse any actions. Viewers are encouraged to understand and follow their local laws and ethical standards.
Fine, you're fine. Just come over here to this side. Do you have anything right here?
Oh, no, you want me to open it?
Yeah. Right. Okay.
They're my friends.
Okay, and who are these?
Oh, son mis friends.
Okay.
Carmen y John.
Okay. Okay. Are these legit? Because they look fake.
I'm guessing, because I met them at Club Fuego. We're going to Agave. We're going to go have some drinks.
How long have you met this?
Yeah, tengo como 4 months. We met there at Club Fuego.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right. Just wait for me right here, okay? You don't have anything?
I'm looking at your eyes. Sorry, sir.
What?
I'm looking at your eyes.
Why?
Because you look pretty handsome.
Oh.
I need to call the cops. Can I just please? I have an autistic kid in my house.
Okay.
Please.
Then do it.
Please.
Yes.
I had 2 investigators today
Okay.
earlier.
Okay.
Can
Do it, ma'am.
In
What?
my car.
Ma'am.
I just want to.
Estos documentos por un montón de tiempo. ¿Por un año? Ok, pues son falsos, ok. Y tener documentos falsos en estados de Texas es un delito. Las ID, a esta te sale a un señor, a tuya. A esta no me sale nada. Ok, so estas identificaciones son falsas. Ok. Ahora, yo lo que le quiero dar a entender a ustedes de que. So it's clear what's going on now. But we already passed that. You had 2 undocumented people in the vehicle. We're past that.
Y ahora
Ma'am.
ya es mi culpa.
Ma'am.
Culpa de eso.
Okay? You're under arrest for human smuggling.
No, sir.
Turn around.
Please.
Turn around. Okay?
Todo por yo manejar.
Turn around. Separate your arms.
A Texas Highway Patrol trooper pulls over a gold Chevrolet Malibu on FM 1017 for a traffic violation. The driver, Lydia Elizabeth Badillo, responds in an overly friendly and flirtatious manner, possibly attempting to distract the officer. The trooper notices 2 passengers in the vehicle who appear silent and uneasy. During questioning, the driver confidently provides her story. But when the trooper questions the passengers separately, their answers do not match. Noticing inconsistencies and suspecting issues with their identities, the trooper requests further documents, which appear questionable. As the investigation unfolds, it becomes evident that the individuals may be involved in human smuggling. The trooper calls for backup and takes the driver into custody, turning a routine traffic stop into a serious criminal investigation.